Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is your P. The war start. If you travel Spanish Town, because they know the authorities are not going to say this because them say it's going to make them sound exactly what they are, which is incapable of protecting citizens. And I'm going to say, we don't want people to be nervous, but I'm going to tell them exactly what it is. If you travel between Spanish Town, if you use the bus park and then place there, keep your head on a swivel. The war start. The same war, I'm telling you, did I go start? The same man them who me tell you, did I go start the war? Started. Jermaine Richard, aka Derby, is the first person to get shot up in this new war. Right. I say, hold on, that name sound familiar. Jermaine Richard, what made that name before? He was on the anti-gang trial. Yes, you see the video I dropped yesterday talking about due to them called Cartel, who has vanished into thin air. I know all that guy already. The following day, another person who was on anti-gang trial is the first person to get shot up in this new war between Tesha Miller and Termite, Della and Top Banks. Jermaine Richard, or Derby as people call him, bust the case in the early but he was in the first set. Him leave with Termite. He's actually linked to Termite's faction. So a Della man them draw first blood because they made their demands, come out and them said this have to go on, that have to go on. They make Termite faction now so them have to give up this and this amount of days or else. If Termite comply, then he might go look like a fool done because next man I go tell you say he made this and move from right there so this amount of days out the week and you say alright cool right there so you don't look like no more done, you don't look like no more gang, you look like you're a puppy show in the bad man world. So resisting go on. There was no negotiation. There was no deal settled. So Della man them respond. How young members respond? Through violence. Them run down on the man them in the bus park. The bus it almost sound like we're going back 10-15 years. In 2023 the man them still launch attack in the bus park. I'm telling you, is it them can't do it or them don't want to do it. Them literally know which part the man them are come. And it's the same. Wait till somebody gets shot. Wait till the gunshot start firing up and down. And then respond. And the man ain't gone long time. Derby get shot up at least 9 times. He said the man they mash him up. Right. He's battling for life. Much internal bleeding. He's in real bad condition. Now, when I started make this video, I was waiting for another update. But you know it got already. Can't exactly sit down and wait for you to say I'm dead. Or you're not gonna make it. So start make the video. So by the time the video come out, I don't know if it's going to be dead or alive. But it don't matter. The fact that the attack took place means the war start. Now I see how this works. But this is how it's always worked. Sit back, things happen, and then just react to it. But I'm telling you, say, proactive. We deal with not reactive, but proactive. The man them I go left anti-gang and go war again. Della man them right, say Termite faction must do this and do that, or them I go dead. Right. So said, so done. And when the trial was going on, I was saying the man them I go left anti-gang and go right back to fighting war, Spanish Town, we'll turn up back. Right. All kind of so-called experts tell me who claim to them do all kind of course. Man. tell me, there is no evidence to suggest that these men are going to go and fight any gang wars after the trial. There is no evidence to support that. Be quiet. Enough money for the stop that. You don't know what you're talking about. From 10,000 miles out, you could have seen this was going down. Termite them. Now a war with Tesha faction. See him termite them. Who was on anti-gang. Now, there is 87 money in Wormy from the video plan. I'm telling you that Tesha's faction has been strengthened. Him get back a number of key personnel. Wormy is one of the main one them. Him have a next dude named Dida. It is well known. So when it comes on the Tesha 87 them, you have Dida, you have Wormy and them. Even though, as I say, you always have a gang and it look big, it is a minority of youths who do most of the damage. Dida wasn't an anti-gang, but he was facing a separate trial, so he did deal with the female court case. Separate from anti-gang, even though my clansman. But in there depend on theme thing. Well, guess what? Surprise, 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 he bust the case. Back on the road. Right. Start link up back with Tesha side. Worm with them. Della gets straightened again. So now, this attack has happened. Derby gets shot up. I don't know if he's going to live, or would them live or not. Termite them will respond. Because that is gunman policy. If they don't respond, Termite faction are going to be seen as pretenders. Termite is going to be seen as a weak Don and is going to get overthrown quickly. Even if him no want a warrior, right? Out of the principle of badness, retaliation have to go on. Come on, I'm going to start whispering in ears and tell him, say, if you know do something, then they're going to strike again and strike again. And if people feel like, Termite is not up to task, remember, there are some people who surround him, right, who are very happy, right, to lead out for them 87s. Remember, you still have people like Agis and them, the Barber and them there. Right. So, it's going to get ugly. If you listen to this channel frequently, you shouldn't be surprised, because I'm telling you this was going to happen a long time ago. Enough time, right? I repeat myself over and over and over again. Because every time I say the same thing, you can want it lodging in your head. So when you see it, you don't start running around like a headless chicken. I say, I can't believe, oh, this could happen. None of this should surprise you. None of this. This is not watching the news and then reacting and say, well, there was a shooting that took place. It was laid out. They'll man them, make it clear their intentions. Right. If the man can't come to an agreement, there's going to be a war. Now, as I said in that video, this is not the last time, right? When, Tesha and Black Man in a war, that war basically took part in the dark because only the mainstream media was covering it. The quote-unquote proper journalists, as the CEO of the year, Zachary Harding would say, proper journalist was covering the Tesha and Black Man war. Well, this time the little YouTuber is on the case. Let me just say this. This is as serious as things can get. This is the very thing, right, I was most fearful of happening. Two factions going back at it, and Migla Spanish Town, Bus Park, going back to the old days. So, yeah, keep on your eyes out. Especially if you come from the Spanish Town side. Keep on your eyes out. It's time to go to work. Because the war has started. And I say you don't need to be a high-ranking officer in the intelligence world if you know how you can counter, right, frequent attacks in our bus park. Either them can't do it, or they don't want to do it. Whether it's your politicians or your judiciary, You take a roach out of a pit latrine. Oh, seriously, don't take them. Because when time the war start, it not gonna affect them. This is why they don't care. This is why they must willy-nilly do anything. Let's put out some statements. When the steer shot start firing, you not gonna catch for them pitney at the bus park. Cause for them pitney not stand up at the bus park. It's time to work. PIA. We know what to do. Anyway. Patrons gotta big up on yourself. PIA, don't know, whole life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.